Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change username on Bitget. To change username on Bitget, first of all open up the Bitget application from your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. After signing into your account, tap on the waffle menu at the top left-hand corner. Now, click open your user ID and then click on the username option. Enter your new username you are trying to change to in the text box. Remember that you can only change your username 3 times a year. Your username is a unique identifier and cannot match someone else's username. Keep your username limited to 20 characters. Special symbols other than the hyphen and underscores are not allowed. Go ahead and enter a new username for yourself and then click on confirm. Now your username that you've just entered will be under review for a certain period of time, and if it is acceptable, you will be able to change your username on Bitget. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.